I would probably tell my younger self from 20, 22 years ago to budget my time better, to not procrastinate, and have patience.
John, you're one of my Hoover neighbors, and I am a die-hard. I watch you on TV every morning and all the times you're on air. On the news, you're my favorite news anchor person, so I've always wanted to ask you all these questions. So I'm real curious, what is a day in the life like for John Papke?
Jeannie, you have to be up at 2 o'clock in the morning because I have to get to the station by 3:30.
That's the middle of the night.
Yes. I probably see about 3 cars on the way to work from Hoover all the way to Birmingham. And I get there at 3:30 and I work until about 11:30 because the show starts at 4:30. Now, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm a reporter, and so I get there at 9:30 and usually get to leave about 7-ish. So, you know, typical work day, generally speaking, on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but a challenging sleep schedule on the weekends for sure.
So I'm really curious, what are like the best things you like about your job, and then what are the day-to-day challenges you would face?
My favorite thing about working in television news for 22 years is the people that I get to meet every day.
Yeah.
Yesterday, days before that, just the average Joe, Jane that I get to meet on the street, that I just love developing those relationships. It's so much fun. You get to see what Alabama is all about, the people of Alabama are all about, and that's one of my favorite parts about being in television news for sure.
So tell me, you've been doing this for years and years and years, and knowing what you know today, with all the experience you've had, what would you tell your younger self?
I would probably tell my younger self from 20, 22 years ago to budget my time better, to not procrastinate, and have patience.
So one of the things I know about you, John, being your neighbor, is you are like the decorating nerd of all time.
Jennifer again calls me Clark Griswold because at Christmas time I do kind of take it a step further. Every single year we add something else to our Christmas display. We have these Christmas tree strings that I've actually erected in the woods behind our house. When you drive by, we've got snowflakes that hang from the trees. That takes quite a bit of time to put up, and then we've lined the sidewalk with lights and have a big Noel that we've cut out of plywood in the front. And of course, Halloween's also a big deal at our house. We have a lot of projections that I put up that are modeled after the Haunted Mansion at Disney World, and I almost pour more heart and soul into my Halloween decorations than I do Christmas decorations, just because I feel like I can create a bit of Disney at my house every year.
So you and I both live in Hoover. We love Hoover. I know why I love Hoover. What is it about Hoover that works for you and your family?
The quality of life in Hoover is incredible. We moved here in 2011. We've lived in the Birmingham area since 2002, but then we moved to Hoover, Trace Crossings community in 2011, and it's so convenient, so centrally located. We've got restaurants right up the hill from us, right up the street from us, movie theaters, shopping centers. It's really been an exciting opportunity for us in the school system. I mean, we really live about a mile and a half from all the schools that our kids will ever need to go to before college. You know, elementary school's right down the street, middle school maybe a half a mile further, and the high school's right over the hill too. So the quality of the education, the convenience of all the schools and the shopping centers makes it a place that we would almost never want to leave.